Hi, Arjun. Welcome to our Finance Drill Q&A session today. I hope you're feeling good and relaxed and ready to take on some questions.
Yeah, thank you so much, Veronica. And yes, I'm super ready to take on the questions as they come, trying to feel relaxed.
Okay, so just to fill in our audience a little bit, just tell us a little bit about yourself and where are you based?
So I am a mortgage broker. Most of my clients would know. At Investors Mortgage, we cover Western Australia, Melbourne, Sydney, also Brisbane. So we cover all those areas. And yeah, I really help my clients and to help them out with the finances, loans, and all that stuff, which we will talk about maybe more in detail as the conversation heads forward.
Okay, I guess to start with, let's just kick off with how would a client of yours describe yourself?
Oh, I think a client of mine would describe me as a very good educator, communicator, and also someone I think they can rely upon when it comes to making those crucial decisions on their finances. And that's because I try to walk the journey with my clients towards the financial well-being and freedom. So yeah, I think that's what my clients would say about me.
Okay. Well, it sounds like you're very passionate about what you do. So, I really want to ask if you had to choose one thing that you love the most about what you do, about your profession, what would that be?
Now, since you've asked that question, I would like to shed a little bit of light on my profession. So the stereotypical name that people have given to my profession is mortgage broking or mortgage broker, and I would just like to say that this is just one thing that I do out of 10 different other things that I do in my daily life. In my profession, I would say I help people build wealth. I help people with their financial well-being. I educate them, I train them, I provide the right advice, and a lot of other things. So yeah, mortgage broking is just one thing that I do out of those many things. Coming back to your question about what I like the most, I think the one thing that I like the most about my profession is helping people and genuinely helping them, because in the business that I am, I cannot grow until my clients grow. I grow with them. So helping them genuinely is something that strives me to do better every single day in my profession. Yeah.
Okay. Well, since you mentioned about helping people and helping your clients, I guess we'll just dive straight into one of the most talked about topic right at the moment, is about the rising interest rates. So, how would you help your client to keep up with this trend, and what's your best advice going forward?
Yeah, it's horrific, isn't it? The rates. Yeah. Now in this kind of situation, I would just talk about economy, which never remains stagnant. It always changes. That has never happened in the history that, our economy has always been stagnant. It always changes. So in this situation, I would just prepare my clients for all the ups and downs that are yet to come. And I would just say to them that don't panic at all, and also don't listen to all the gossip news that's out there in your social media, or even when you go out and have a chat with people, you hear all these things that have no logic, and you're not sure that's going to happen. So if you want, but stay informed about what's happening at the same time, and that can be done by having a chat and discussion with the financial advisor, with your mortgage broker, even with the bank. So just trust them and no one else. Plus, in this kind of situation of rising rates, what I do for my clients is I make sure that they get the best rates that's available there in the market out for them. And that can be done either by refinancing to the best lender, or even revising the current rate that they are in with the current lender. I would also say that more than anything, my clients, they would need assurance at this stage of time. They would just need someone to say to them, say, hey, look, everything is going to be okay, and to not panic. So yeah, that's what I would be doing.
Okay. I guess the next natural follow-up question would be for any new potential clients out there, any potential new home buyers out there. The number one question on their mind is like, is it still, should I still buy? Should I wait? Should I, wait till the interest rates fall back down to normal, or should I wait till the property market cool down a little bit? So what's your answer to this?
Yeah, yeah. Again, the same thing. Again, this will be the hot question, and people have been asking this whenever times are not right for them, for the country, for the economy. So, I would just advise my clients and everyone out there to just, I think, avoid the waiting game. By the waiting game, I mean waiting for the time to be right, because that's what we always do. We always wait for the time to be right, to be in our favor, and then we can do something, we can take a step forward, that will lead us to financial well-being. But that never happens, that will always leave you behind the game. So focus and could be concerned about what are the things that's within your limit, within your control. Economy is not in your control, it's not within your limits. The one thing that is within your control and within your limit is your own finances. So do the math, do the calculations, and if you think you are within the capacity of buying a property, you have got enough money to pay the deposit, then yeah, you should go and buy the property. And if you are still not sure about your current financial situation, go and take advice from your financial advisor or a mortgage broker, mortgage strategist, just like me. But do not wait for the market to just get right, because it's never going to get right.
Okay, yeah, I think that's a really good answer, and a lot of good value in there that we just very briefly touched on. So yeah, tell us where we can find you and chat further.
You can find me everywhere. No, you can't. So you can always call me on 0452573740. That's my number. And you can always reach out to me via email as well, which we will leave on the link of this video. But yeah, I'm just a phone call away, and anyone that needs help, I'm there to help.
Okay, thank you so much for joining us, Aarjoo. And yes, we'll put all the contact details in the description below. And yeah, we'll chat to you soon again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Veronica, for giving me this opportunity to put my insights out there for my clients and for everybody. And it was great talking to you. Thank you.